So if Mother Nature could talk, what would she say? You were a speaker on a recent panel in Davos on the rights of nature. Ecuador has enshrined the rights of nature in its 2008 constitution. Obviously, nature cannot speak for itself in a court of law. And some people feel very strongly that the indigenous people were best placed to advocate on the behalf of nature. So if Mother Nature could talk, what would she say?
Well, Mother Earth is a mother, and we are the children. And she says, take care of me myself. Love Mother Earth as I love you.